Oh, sure.
Okay, so basically, your story, Abhijit, is that you're running a digital marketing agency, and
Hmm.
it was going very well. During COVID, it
Yeah.
went a little down. You had some money, you started investing in stock market,
Hmm.
and you started incurring losses there. So
Hmm.
you wanted to get more gains, but you got little gains, but more losses. So that's why you ended up borrowing a
Yeah,
lot of money.
that point of time, it was like every month 60,000 as a business loan I have to pay. That also came on my head. So that I thought if I get 5 lakhs rupees a monthly, I can make 1 lakh out of, because I was on an everyday morning I used to make 10,000, and by end of the day I used to lose 55,000, 60,000. That was the everyday story. Like, every day I used to make 20, 15, 10 something in the morning, and by end of the day I used to lose 10 times, 5 times.
Hmm.
And because I've seen that green picture in the morning, again there was no other way. I was having a source of income only. That was in my mind, that somehow I will recover, I will recover. That is the only thing which was coming in my head, that I'm seeing every day. But I knew that when I was doing also, I was knowing that I have mental pressure of loans, I have mental pressure of lot of other things. I'm because I want to recover, I want to become a to recover all the losses in a single day. I'm pushing myself more and more and more.
Yeah. And
And there was a, yeah,
it's only
there
human to feel.
yeah,
First of
there
all,
used to be a day, 50 with a capital of 50, 80,000. I used to make 1 lakh 150,000. But the next day it was more like a become gambling than investing, or being a business.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So lesson learned, right? Are you still trading? Are you still investing in stock market, Abhijit?
Trying, but because I see right now my mindset is like, where, how, what means, you can understand that if a person is having 50,000 income and around 2.5 lakhs per month as a EMI.
Okay.
I'm
Who else are there in your family?
Me, my mom, dad, and my brother.
What is your brother doing?
Brother is not doing well because sometimes he is having a job, sometimes he doesn't. He's also having a family.
Hmm.
He stays in Bihar. Basically, I'm from Bihar. I'm staying in Bangalore from last
Okay.
14 years.
Okay. And how about
And
your parents?
my dad is retired. He was into central government. He retired last 2 years back. And
Okay.
but the financial situation over there is also not too good, because it's not good at all, because they have tried to invest in something in land, and that backfired on them and badly. They bought some land and with their retirement money, and that too is in a bad situation of legal things. So even I
Hmm.
thought of, you know uh, just to tell you about myself. I tried on YouTube all these ways to make a financial plan. Rich Dad Poor Dad, the Robert Kiyosaki, his formulas, everything I tried. I made this sheet, and but once you have something dark in front of you, you don't get anything back. Means you keep going, and you just start slipping out, and the darkness covers you very badly.
Hmm. Hmm. Correct. So first of all, when it comes to anything about the finances, financial planning, or advices and investing, never ever go with what you hear on YouTube.
Yeah, okay.
Like you see, if you have some issue with your health, okay,
Mhm.
it's very easy for us to this become like this. People just go check on YouTube or Google and try to do
Yeah, yeah.
self medication. How many people have burned, they have actually burned their organs by taking the wrong medicines? They're not getting to know now. Only when they actually go have a real issue, they go to a doctor, then they get to know, right? so
Yeah, yeah.
so that means you always go to a doctor if you have a health issue. If you have financial issue, or if you have anything to do with that, you should always have a financial doctor with you, right?
I do
And that's
understand, but
me.
very late. I
I know,
have
it's okay.
understood
Lesson
that,
learned.
but very late.
Doesn't matter. So this is a good experience in life. Okay. Now
Yeah,
let's
yeah,
do one thing, Abhijit. Let's can
yeah.
we can you add all the outstanding?
Yes.
Forget the personal loans, at least the lenders, right? Credit cards and the lenders. What's the total outstanding as of today? Column H. Can you add all of them?
So it's around 50. Yes. 47, 54.
No, no, no. I told you, right? Don't add
Yeah.
the personal loans. Don't add the personal loans. Only the credit cards and the app-based loans. What's the total?
See. These are all my credit cards plus apps. So this is 9.27.
9.27.
This
Okay,
is
good.
okay. And
Ah,
this is the business loan. If you say
correct. I saw that.
this
That's
plus
5,90,000.
this, yeah. So
Hmm.
and apart from that, this all taken as a personal loan from my friend. Means my friends have taken the loans on behalf of me.
They have taken loans on behalf of you, and they are paying
Yeah.
the
I'm paying the
EMI,
EMIs.
right?
I'm
You are
paying the
paying the
EMIs.
EMI. So totally
Yeah.
32 lakhs. So overall, you have around 50 lakhs
Yes.
loan,
Yes.
correct? Okay,
Yes.
good. And what are the assets that you have?
Nothing.
Okay, you have any own house,
No.
car,
No.
life insurance policies?
No health insurance. I have basic health insurance. Nothing else.
Okay, okay, okay. See, let's be very honest. Okay, in any type of situation in life, there are three things that work. Any situation. First is awareness of where we are right now, which you are aware now. I made you to do this particular activity before you came for this one. You did it, right? Second thing is acceptance. Yes, you know what? I'm in this deep shit. It's okay. And third is action, taking action. Very, very, very clearly for you, the only action is for you to start earning more money.
Yeah.
There's no other miracle.
Yeah.
There's no other miracle, right?
Yeah.
And you have how many years of experience in digital marketing?
Digital marketing, I have 5 years of experience, and banking operation in ANZ I work. I have overall 4.5 years of experience in there. Right now I'm working with
So,
ANZ.
totally how many years?
9.5.
9.5 years. Okay. And what has your customers, whomever you've given the digital marketing services to, what do they say about the type of work you guys have done?
So actually, the whole transform what we were doing in the digital marketing side was altogether different. And into 2019, the industry got changed entirely, and we were not able to keep up with that. So most of the companies of that time have shut down. And one more thing was like the hard work and the effort we were supposed to put in, we didn't do that, and very fairly I accept it.
Okay, that's okay. See, all these things are learnings, right, Abhijit?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
can't be
yeah.
always perfect. We're just human beings, yeah. So it's okay. And first of all, I don't want you to go hard on yourself. Okay, don't go hard on yourself. 50 lakhs is still a small amount. Trust me. It's a very small amount. That's the way your mind. So more than anything, your mind should expand first, Abhijit.
Okay.
Okay. Your mind must expand. It has to accept the fact that I am capable of earning more and more. 50 lakhs a month, not 50 lakhs a year. I'm capable of earning 50 lakhs a month. No jokes. No jokes.
Okay.
The kind of things that we do, okay, we all earn like 3 to 5 lakhs easily per month on an average. Okay. And there are people who are also earning 20, 25 lakhs. There are people who are earning 1 crore per month also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. So it is possible. So since now what I'm going to do, ask you is, Abhijit, are you willing to take no matter whatever it takes? Are you willing to actually, like, do you have someone who can actually now with this situation? Because see, this is not going to change overnight for you. It will take
I
time.
do understand. Yeah.
It will take time. So you need to first of all speak to your friends, tell them, bye, I've borrowed all these things. Thank you. This is my situation right now. I'm really sorry that this is what it is, but I have a plan to repay. Okay. I'm working on it, because if you now, what's the basic thing, you're earning 56,000 rupees per month and you have 2.35 lakhs EMI per month. From where are you generating that extra cash? Again, you're borrowing.
Yeah, that's why it's
Stop it. Number one, Abhijit, stop it. Stop borrowing. First action is stop borrowing. You got to tell yourself, I am not going to borrow anymore. That's it. Borrowing story is over in my life. Stop borrowing. right? Second thing is it's going to be difficult, but it's okay to open up these channels to talk to every friend of yours. Soon by this happened, allow me some time to give back, I'm going to repay. Until then, please help me to pay the EMIs yourself. I understand you have taken this on my behalf, and I'm going to pay you back more. And you have to put a plan and tell them that you're going to pay back not only whatever they pay, because they have helped you, you have to pay them back more, and it's possible.
Of course,
Okay.
yeah.
Now the thing is, you can't go to your these apps. Numbers never ever take any money from apps. You see the interest rate 30%, 36, 280% is one, right? 20-30%. And even if you invest on an average, what people are investing, getting 15-18% returns
Max.
Why these apps are there? To trap you, to trap people like you, right? So stop borrowing or any more money from anyone. Whatever you're earning 56,000, live on your, are you living on rent or your own house?
Actually, I'm staying with no rent only, but the good part of it is I stay with my girlfriend, and she's able to handle the rent and food and all.
How nice of her. Okay. Please convey my personal thanks and wishes to her that she's there. That's very nice. And do not
And this
please.
guy especially, this guy is the one. He is my partner as well, and he knows each and every condition of mine.
And does Abhishek have any other income
No.
apart from this partner?
Actually, he don't wanted to start. Means sometimes he feels to go and start working because of me itself. That somehow he can help me out in these things. But right now, he is trying to start his own content creation. Means he's already doing it. So from past 2 to 3 months, by getting some money, I told you the colleague who stay in US, he gets some Bollywood business kind of things for us if he gets, but that is not completely stable thing.
It's not stable, so you can't be relying on it, right?
Yes.
So that's why you need to actually. Okay, Abhijit. Now you know the IQ portion of money, right? Now when it comes to IQ is intelligent quotient. Then you have emotional quotient about money, right? When it comes to EQ portion, you need to really frame your mind. You need to start getting into practices of what is your habits of eating. You got to stay yourself very hydrated. Your health is most important right now, Vijay. Otherwise, how old are you?
35.
35. Another 5-10 years, you look like you're 60 with this mental treasure.
I'm diabetic even.
Who's going to bother later on, Abhijit? Your health is your responsibility. Your money is your responsibility, right? So basically, the way I'm seeing it, 50 lakhs is not a big amount. Today, I have around total outstanding all housing loans, got some small. I don't have any other loans, only housing loans. 3 loans I have. All together, I have outstanding of approximately, I think 35 lakhs or 36 lakhs something. Okay. I don't have a full-time job. I don't have salary coming in, but I'm into business, and business is giving me returns because of the investment of my time and energy in the right way, in a structured way.
Yeah.
You need a good community, right? So
correct.
And what I'm doing is I have converted my knowledge, what I learned, what my knowledge that I have converted that into courses, and I'm selling courses.
Okay.
Yeah. And it does not require too much of investment. No office required. No employees required. I am my office. I am my employee. I am my own this thing. I create my own thing. I create my own designs. I create my entire course. I record my own videos. Okay. And I upload that. There are platforms available. Amazing. I have to just pay some, meager 14 or 15,000 rupees a month for all my subscriptions, SaaS based. Right. And honestly speaking, I really require digital marketing support, but not to the extent the way big companies do, the Bollywoods do. No, for me, this is good enough. I have to just run FB ads.
Yeah. Generally, ads. Google ads and Facebook ads works fine.
And Google ads, YouTube ads, and Facebook.
We used to do that. Even,
yeah. I do that myself. I've learned how to do it. Right. So by doing this, what is happening is people come. They like what I've created. They like the product because I'm a money guy, right? I tell them about money. I tell them about how to do a financial, or rather how to get financially fit, right? How to get financially fit. Okay, can you stop sharing this screen now? I think this kind of it's over. I mean, I saw this all right. You share that with me anyway. Email it to me. I'll take a look at it again.
Okay.
So it's important for you to know. First action is write down, stop borrowing. Second action is speak to Abhijit, your partner. Sorry, what's his name? Not Abhijit. Abhishek, your partner, and any other guys. But whatever EMIs you're supposed to pay to the apps or whatever, they will not stop. They charge you on a daily basis. You cannot. So you have to get to a point of repaying that. And there's no other magic potion. You have to see once you have inflow coming in large, then outflow is taken care. In your case, inflow is so low, you have to increase it. Suddenly, if you want to ask your company to increase the salary, will they? No.
Never.
Right? And you can't expect that suddenly you go to the market and companies are ready to willing to pay you 2.5-3 lakhs a month. No way.
With what quality? Right? With what skill set?
Yeah. So say for example, now I come with around 20 years experience, 20-25 years totally, right? And if I go for a job, easily I'll get around 3-4 lakhs a month. Because of the experience I've got. Right? In your case, you're still building on it. You still have around only 7 or 8 years experience. Right? So consider that is also another fact for you. That's a reality. So you can't expect a company to pay you. So continue working there. It's okay. But in addition to that, see how the thing is, when I got fired from my job in 2018, I asked only 3 questions to myself. Okay. I asked myself, hey, I have a house to live in. I'm getting food. I have a bed to sleep on. Then that's my point. First is, what can I do sitting at home? Okay. Second is, how can I earn money? Third is, how can I spread knowledge? And that's when, this community whom I'm close, they're like 17,000 people. They're all trainers, coaches, educators.
Okay.
And many people don't know how to do digital marketing. Many people fail. They're not able to get that, right? If you're in a close-knit community like this, and if you actually tell people, listen, these are the secrets of digital marketing. This is the secrets of how we can actually do designing at a low price. This is how we can do. Like teach people about digital marketing. There are many other people who are doing that. It's okay. Doesn't matter, Abhijit.
Yeah, Vivek. Just to add you on that, means sorry to interrupt you on that.
Sure.
Right now, because of last 1.5 years, 2 years, I have not been in touch of that, and I don't feel too much of. Yes, again, I have to gain the knowledge, and then this is also with this side I'm struggling. I'm also struggling with the career side. I have multiple things, but see, once your mindset is not right, you will have thousands of thoughts coming around. And
True.
Second thing is, once you're too much of explorative, you try to explore a lot of things. You try to gain a lot of knowledge, try to gain a lot of inspiration, like try to do many things. With all these side presses, you land up nowhere.
True.
And in my scenario, right now, I'm not sure, like, because half knowledge is dangerous, so in digital side also I was not too much good into that side. So right now I'm into banking operations. I am thinking of, because I have very bad, sometimes I think of, like, I had a bad experience of share market. Can I do some small videos and make out something,
yes, you should. Yes, you should. You know what? Yes, you have to. I'll tell you, Abhijit. Show people how you have actually lost. That's okay. Be genuine. Be authentic, and so that others don't fall in the same trap as you. Right? You can say that, guys, today I'm going to this. Okay, this is what has happened with me. This has really happened. This is my. You have the sheet now. Show them. These are my outstanding. Be vulnerable. What we think is that, what if, world will look at us and laugh at us? No, man, everyone is suffering.
Yeah.
Right? What you put out on the content, right, there will be someone other who's getting helped. There will be some set of people always who are ready to laugh and pull you down. It's okay, ignore them. Get them out of your life. Doesn't matter.
But Vic, what comes around with that is a question, that is a long-term game. Means if I'm thinking that as a business model, even because first of all, as a content creator, it's a long-term game.
Everything is long-term.
Correct.
The one that I'm telling you also is long term, but
Correct.
you will see the real results in 3 months. In 3 months, you will start seeing the real money coming to you, Abhijit. What the one that I am suggesting, the model that I use. Okay. What I'm going to do is I will share one link with you. Okay, go through in depth. Okay, more than anything, because you're going to this thing, I'm willing to give you every day around for 10 to 15 minutes of my time just to take you through some powerful meditation practices that will help you to align your mind. If you want to do that, only if you want, I'm willing to do. Otherwise, it's okay. This only thing is
I
belief,
want anything
belief,
to come out.
belief system. Belief system. Okay.
Correct.
Don't get into the desperate mode. Do not get into desperate mode. Okay.
I'm in.
Galti ho jata hai yaar. It happens. You know what? I'm not joking. I have seen cases where you're talking about 50 lakhs. Okay. I've seen cases where people are borrowing like 2-3 lakhs a day. How they got stuck in whirlpool. They lost everything. And more than anything, they lost themselves. So in your case, you're still young.
Of course it will happen. Yeah.
You have the knowledge. No one can take it away from you, Abhijit. The one knowledge that you have about the digital marketing or in the stock market, this experience, no one can take it away. Spread the knowledge. Okay. And just first of all, your mind is like wavering here. You have to get to a point of this. Then only results will come. And all these things will take time. Understand? There is no one is going to come and give you money saying that, Acha, you have all these things. Okay, get rid of us. It is your responsibility to come back up. It will happen. But for that, first thing is your mind has to be prepared. You have to balance your mind.
That's why I was looking for a person as a miracle, like, who becomes my mentor and take me through with the small steps. Because, in my past experience, if you say before 3 years, I was a Gyani guy who used to give gyans to everybody in my circle. From there, I've gone flat down.
Yes, that's okay. It doesn't matter. That's okay. So don't keep, see, you have to rewrite your story, Abhijit. You have to rewrite your story. It's like, okay, you know what? This happened with me. Get out of the victim mentality. Get a winner's mindset. Say that everything is achievable. Everything is possible. Right? And please stop following videos on YouTube on all this when it comes to finances. That's my number, the only key takeaway for you in this session. Okay. If you had borrowed, how come? Look at the situation. Look at this thing. And stock market also, you have to actually, go through a proper model and a good coach. You should always have the right coaches for everything. You'll not believe how much chartered accountant till today I have actually not invested much in stock market. Because I don't know much about that. I'm okay. I accept. But if you come to cryptocurrency to me, I know how to spin. I do that. I help my investors, my community people to invest the right way in cryptocurrency. And they're making money.
Okay.
Right? Because I understood that. Stock market is something which I'm still not able to. So whatever I'm not able to, I say, if I want to get in there, I will always seek professional help.
No, actually, sure. Only, still I believe that these mistakes, what I've done is because of not having patience and not right set of mind because of my pre-acquisition. That's why, because even if you talk to me today, I have very in-depth knowledge. I have perceived, I know the play inside game, but because the things I came to know that until unless you're not in the right mindset, however knowledge, whatever experience you get, it won't work. You have to be, because you have to be in the right mindset to execute those plans.
Again, so tell me, summarize our discussion. What are the 3 actions that you will take? One is stop borrowing.
Not borrowing.
And speak to Abhishek, whoever is required. Tell them the truth is what is happening and give them a plan. Tell them I'm really going to work on increasing my income. I have found another source. I will earn money. Second thing is go through the link that I'm going to give you. Go to that link and see how you can actually look at earning your money by sharing your knowledge. Okay. And third thing is align your mindset. Mindset.
And will you be able to help me out the way you said 5 to 10 minutes? I will give you. Just to talk.
Yes, I will. I will. Okay.
And
so you WhatsApp me
for that?
No. I don't charge you anything. Okay.
Thanks.
So I'll take you through. No problem.
because I have
In
I have
humanity,
seen
and not everything can be designed by money, Abhijit.
money.
You need to really help people when they're in trouble. Then only you get help. Otherwise, what's the point of whatever you do? Right? And I
Correct.
see clearly that you need this help, and I'm willing to do that. Don't worry. Okay, we're
Yeah.
gonna do it.
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure. Sure.
every day.
Yeah.
It'll not be for 5-10 minutes. It'll be for 15 minutes. Don't worry, my friend.
Thanks.
It's
Thanks.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're a good person. Good things will happen. Don't worry. And whatever you did with the right intention, right? We're gonna get
Yes.
you through with
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah. My
Yeah,
intention was never wrong at any point
I
of time
know.
in my life. I
Yeah,
have always been that person that who helps everybody.
done. So we're gonna get you through with this. Have patience. Don't worry. We'll work through this. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah.
write your success story. Yeah. We're gonna write your success story. Let's document your story about this. Yeah.
Let's see.
And every
Yeah.
session of this, let's record it and show the world. Are you willing? Are you
Sure.
okay with that?
I
Yeah.
can. I'm
Cheers,
no
man.
problem.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. Share me
Cheers.
the link. I will go through that.
I will share the link, and we're gonna start the meditation tomorrow for you. Okay.
Sure.
These are some
Sure.
very, very powerful meditations. Very, very
Sure.
powerful ones. Okay.
Yeah.
Take it seriously.
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
This
Sure.
it might shake you up. It might make you uncomfortable. It's okay. Accept. Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. I
Yeah.
have to be in that position to unseat this big thing. I have to be in
Correct.
different comfort, out of my comfort zone, and do whatever it takes to.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Okay. For now, I need to go, Abhishek.
Sure.
have a
Sure. That's
meeting.
what I was
I have to
saying. That
attend.
time you're 4
Yeah.
you're saying that you have to reach
Yes,
somewhere
4
at
o'clock. I
4.
have to be there.
And
I'm gonna
that's
go.
your WhatsApp number as well.
Yes, you can
From the number
WhatsApp
you
me.
have
I'll share the link there. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
All right.
Thanks, Vivek.
We're gonna
Thanks
get
for your
through with
time.
that.
I'm
Yeah.
really thankful to you. Grateful to you. Thank you.
Yes. No. All I want you to do is lift your hand up. Lift your hand up. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank the universe. Thank you. Universe. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Just be grateful to whatever you have. Be grateful to the
Yes.
situation that you are in. Just keep thanking the universe. All right. We're gonna get through with
Sure.
this. Cheers.
Sure.
See you tomorrow.
Cheers. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.